How can you prevent undue influence? Have you ever wondered how to ensure that your decisions are truly your own? Today, we are going to discuss how to prevent undue influence, especially in the context of libertarianism and contract law. Undue influence happens when one party manipulates another's choices, affecting the voluntary nature of agreements. This is particularly important in libertarianism, which values individual freedom and voluntary choice. To prevent undue influence, the first step is to promote awareness and vigilance. It is essential to understand the dynamics of power in relationships. Be mindful of situations where one party may be vulnerable, such as due to age or mental state. Recognizing these scenarios helps protect against manipulation. Next, ensure that all parties enter contracts with voluntary and informed consent. Contracts should be made without any coercion. Each party must have enough time to consider the terms, seek advice, and make decisions freely. Avoid rushing anyone into finalizing agreements. Encouraging independent advice is also crucial. Individuals, especially those in weaker positions, should have access to independent legal or financial counsel before signing contracts. This helps to balance the decision-making process and reduces the risk of one party dominating. Transparency and fairness in negotiations are vital. Conduct negotiations openly and in appropriate settings. Avoid unusual circumstances that might suggest pressure tactics. This creates a more comfortable environment for all parties involved. Legal protections can also play a role. The legal system can intervene when undue influence is suspected. Contracts can be declared voidable if it is shown that free will was compromised. This aligns with libertarian principles by safeguarding individual rights and ensuring fairness in agreements. Lastly, it is important to limit power imbalances. Avoid situations where one party has excessive control over another, such as in caregiver relationships or hierarchical employment settings. Implement safeguards to protect the autonomy of the weaker party. By focusing on voluntary choice, informed consent, and fair dealings, we can prevent undue influence. This upholds the libertarian ideal that individuals should be free to make their own decisions without manipulation. These measures not only preserve the legitimacy of contracts but also protect personal freedom.